Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy's random.randn function. This powerful function allows you to create random arrays with a normal distribution, which is essential for many data science and machine learning applications. NumPy Random.randn is a function that returns samples from the standard normal distribution. The standard normal distribution has two key characteristics, a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. This makes it perfect for generating random data that follows a bell curve pattern. Let's look at the basic syntax. First, you need to import NumPy as np. Then you call np.random.randn, passing in the dimensions as arguments. The parameters d0, d1, up to dn represent the dimensions of the array you want to create. To generate a single random number, simply call np.random.randn with no arguments. This returns one floating point number from the standard normal distribution. For example, it might return a value like 0.5432, which could be positive or negative. To create a one-dimensional array, pass a single integer as the argument. For instance, np.random.randn with the argument 5 generates an array containing 5 random numbers. The output shows values like -0.23, 1.45, and so on, all sampled from the normal distribution. For a two-dimensional array or matrix, pass two arguments representing rows and columns. Using np.random.randn with 3, 4 creates a matrix with 3 rows and 4 columns. Each element is a random number from the standard normal distribution, giving you a total of 12 values arranged in a grid. You can also create three-dimensional arrays by passing 3 arguments. For example, np.random.randn with 2, 3, 4 creates a three-dimensional tensor. The shape method confirms this produces an array with dimensions 2 by 3 by 4, containing 24 random values in total. Let's review the key properties of the standard normal distribution used by randn. The mean, represented by the Greek letter mu, is always 0. The standard deviation, represented by sigma, is always 1. The distribution type is normal, also called Gaussian. And the value range is unbounded, meaning values can theoretically range from -infinity to +infinity, though most values cluster near 0.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.